Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Lilian Vanari. Karibu sana. Today we're doing something very interesting. Make sure you share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, we need a comb, one braid. You can take the long one or the short one. We need air food. The one that you prefer is okay, and an elastic elastic, yeah. Okay, let's do this, guys. So I took my braid and made two rasters from one side so that they can be able to hold the so-called extension. So the unbraided part, I'll attach it to my hair, and then you'll just see what I'm gonna do. So let me first comb my hair. Yay! Hey! Wow, nywele yangu imegrow, guys. Nilikuwa nimeshave tu juzi. Look at it now. Dark and lovely. Dark and lovely, dark and lovely, dark and lovely. So guys, you can apply Eco Gel if you want your hair to look superb, but I'm not gonna apply Eco Gel right now because I'll be plaiting my hair in 2 days and I don't want to expose it to heat so much. So sitaki kufanya blow dry ingine, so I'll just make her extension ikuwa hivyo. Yep. As you can see, you can use a hairbrush or your shoe brush, and you don't use to straighten up those edges. Yeah, so we're done combing. So you gather it together, but you don't tie. Just gather it so that you can know how you're gonna tie. So we gather it together. Yeah, you take your elastic and you fold it into two. Yep. Then you take the braid part. You take the braid. Oh, I forgot something. I'm supposed to apply oil on the braid to make it silkier, to make it a bit straight, and to make it look appealing, you know, to make it shine. Yep. So massaging that hair. Yeah, you just straighten it. Just make sure that it doesn't have any bumps. Yeah, then you're ready to go. Now you take your elastic and you fold it. Then you try as much as possible to hold your hair at the same time with the braid. It's kind of difficult, but we can do this, guys. We can do this. We can do this. Make sure you don't leave any part of your hair out. Just be very careful. Yep. Slow but sure. So after tying it, you take your hair and the unbraided parts, then you tie it round, like below all the hairs, so that it can hold up. Round and round, round we go, round and round. Yeah, we're done. Ooh, look at us now. Shake your hair, shake your head to make sure it doesn't fall off. Wow, I can imagine the embarrassment when you're just walking majestically and it falls off. Oh guys, it didn't fall off. I was with it the whole of Sunday and it didn't fall off. So then you take the two braided parts and you crisscross them until you're up to the ends, and you tuck them and the wrap. Yes, like that. See? Beautiful. Wow. The excitement is real. Look at us now, looking all gaudy. Gaudy gal. Wow, I love this hair, guys. You have to try these. If you don't like Abuja braids, you can just take the braid of your choice. Even maybe the curly ones. I'm sure they'll work out. Just, use your creativity. Okay, now, let's get to the earring parts and see how we're gonna look. Just wanna achieve that one look. Ish, man. I kind of wish I had such long hair. Yeah, but we appreciate the little and the big that we have. So unaeza hivyo, you can go like that, or you put on hairband if you like. Yup, to enhance the beauty and to hold it better, something like that. Let's see how this turns out. My English needs some tuition. Wow. See? Great. Now you can dance with your head and nothing will happen. This is beautiful, guys. I just discovered this and I thought I should show you. This is so beautiful. Just make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, comment, let me know what you think. If this hair is beautiful, we can try it again, or with a different braid, with a curly one, with salsa or Spanish. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.